Hello, welcome back to Tell's Hobbies. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how I painted these railway workers for double O and HO scale plastic models. In this kit, you get 3 sprues and 38 workmen. I'll first start by mixing a matte grey primer with AirBrush thinners. I then apply the primer with an airbrush. This is a quick way of getting a nice smooth surface. I then clip the figures out and file the plastic moulding underneath the base. I decided to paint his shirt area with this grey with my fine detailed brush. Next, I'm using this contrast ultramarine blue paint. In one coat, does the shadows and highlight areas in one go. Contrast paints are quite runny, so try and control the paint into the areas where you want the paint to go. Next, I paint this figure's jumper using this Steel Legion like a tawny tone colour. Now I paint some of the jackets and trousers using this black. For the flesh tones, I find this Bugman's Glow, which is quite good for doing the hands and faces. So I'm using this earth shade paint in the shadowy areas to create more of a shadow and to create a bit more of a dirty, worn look. Here's all the colours that I used to paint the figures. So I hope you found this video useful. I think they look fantastic and I can't wait to add them to my model railway. So if you've got any comments or if you're thinking of painting these figures, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.